Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to learn how to draw and color a pineapple. It is very easy. Just follow me. Use black marker for outline. First we draw the body like this. Very good. Then we draw the leaves like this. Very good. Draw diagonal line. These lines define the texture of the fruit like this. Very good. Time to add some color. First we use yellow marker. Use yellow color to fill in the entire body of the pineapple like these. Color carefully up to the black outline like these. Very good. Don't cross the lines. Color in one direction to make it neat like these. Very good. Take your light green pencil and color the entire leaves like these. Very good. Don't cross the lines. Try to stay inside the lines. Very good. You did it very well. Very good. And that's it. Your pineapple is ready. Allah Hafiz.